Hello and welcome to Writing Review with Mrs. Mercado. Today's review lesson will be on how to write our body paragraph 2 or B2. We can do this by using races to write a complete response. Step 1 is to read the prompt. We've already done that in weeks previous. Step 2 is to annotate the prompt. We've already done that as well. Step 3 is to write the introduction, which we did, which was telling the problem, how the problem was solved, and the moral of the fable. Step 4 we did last week, which was body 1, paragraph 1, which was first I will tell the problem in the fable, how the problem was that the grasshopper did not work and did not have food for the winter. 2 pieces of evidence are, don't worry about it, winter is still far away, and beg for something to eat. This shows the grasshopper was hungry because he did not work to collect food. Now you know what the problem is in the fable. So now we're at step 5, which is our B2, our body paragraph 2. So I'm going to start by writing races on the top of my page. Then I'm going to write my R. My R I take right from my prompt. Second, I will tell how the problem was solved. So that's exactly what I'm going to write. Second, I will tell how the problem was solved. There's my R. I can cross it off. Since I read the text, the ant and the grasshopper already, I can answer that. The problem was solved by the grasshopper asking the ant for food. There's my A, so I can cross it off. Now I need to give 2 pieces of evidence from the text. So I'm going to start with the sentence. 2 pieces of evidence are, and then put my quotations. Now I've already highlighted my evidence in the text. The starving grasshopper went to the ant's house. I'm going to copy it. The starving grasshopper went to the ant's house. That's already my first piece of evidence. So I'm going to add my second one, and go right back to what I highlighted. Humbly begged for something to eat. Begged for something to eat. That's how we try to solve this problem of being hungry. So there's my 2 pieces of evidence. Now I need to explain how I know that was solving his problem. This shows the grasshopper tried to solve the problem of being hungry by asking the ant for some food. We know that he was hungry, so that was his problem before. He tried solving it by asking for help from the ant for food. So there's my E. Now I have to do my sum up sentence, which sounds the same as my R. Now you know how the problem was solved in the fable. I have a 5-sentence essay. Restate the question. Second, I will tell how the problem was solved. Answer it. The problem was solved by the grasshopper asking the ant for food. 2 pieces of evidence are the starving grasshopper went to the ant's house and humbly begged for something to eat. My 4th sentence is this shows the grasshopper tried to solve the problem of being hungry by asking the ant for some food. And my sum of sentences, now you know how the problem was solved in the fable. So we had 5 sentences using races to clearly explain how the problem was solved. Next week, I'm going to show you how to write your B3, which will be the moral of the story.